Thank you very much, Paul. Yes, my name is Eva Koller. I'm the Managing Director of the Austria Glas Recycling System. And first of all, I want to share with you some facts and figures about my country. So in Austria, we have about more than 9 million inhabitants, so it's quite a small country. And in the year of 2024, we put more than 280,000 tons glass packaging into the market. So it's about more than 30 kilogram per capita in this year. In the same year, in the year of 2024, we collected more than 251,000 tons. So that's more than 27 kilogram per capita in this year. So we really reached a very high recycling quota, more than 85%. So what we did the last year is that we always reached a very high recycling quota in Austria. So our focus of our tasks are we have to maintain, and of course we want to increase the high standard in the collection and recycling. We want to increase the efficiency, and of course we have to optimize the costs. So we use digital tools to optimize our operations. We use a platform which is called Digido. It's not a platform from the Austria Glas Recycling. It's a platform from another company. And Digido is a comprehensive digital platform. So it enables the real-time data management across the whole value chain, across the glass collection until to the recycling process. So the stakeholders, all of them, they are integrated in the system. Digido supports the coordination among the waste collectors, the sorting facilities, the recyclers, and the municipalities. So we ensure seamless data exchange for transparency and traceability in the recycling operations. And Digido supports the digital documentation, the performance tracking, and the compliance reporting effectively. So here you can see the value chain of the Austrian glass recycling system. We have the bin collection from the public collection sites. Then we have the bin collection from the small businesses like restaurants or hotels or also hospitals. And then we have the recycling yards. The next step is the collection infrastructure. Then the glass packaging is collected and it is brought to the regional transfer centers. And from the regional transfer centers, we transport the glass to the recycling plants. And you have to know that in Austria, we use the trucks for the transportation. And in Austria, we use a lot of rail cargo transportation. I think this is very specific in Austria. So the first use case, I'm sorry, just a moment. Oops. So the first use case, just a moment. So the first use case is the real-time data transmission. We have a real-time data sharing, so we have a multi-directional communication. The platform Digido, it supports the seamless data exchange among the collectors, the recyclers, the municipalities, and it's very good for the collaboration. We have a real-time data transmission, so the transport data is shared in real time with the recyclers to update the records continuously and accurately, so we can deliver according to the production needs. That's very important right now, also very important. And so we have, due to the real-time data sharing, we can improve the transparency and we have a stronger accountability. What we could finish the last weeks was a very huge project about the rail cargo. You have to know that in Austria, the rail cargo is a little bit old-fashioned, and it was very difficult to get the data from the rail cargo to our system. And now we can use the Digido, because the Digido converts the rail cargo transport data into the compatible formats instantly. And so we have a seamless data flow. And this leads to error reduction and to automation. The second use case is our app Glass Future. This is a kind of digitalization which we use in the collection infrastructure. So we have the app, which is called Glass Future, is a comprehensive and nationwide evaluation of our collection sites concerning the condition of the collection sites and concerning the cleanliness. And we want to evaluate the collection bins. So we evaluate the visual appearance of the collection bins and also the technical condition. Why is this so important for us? It increases the user safety, of course, and we have a stronger trust in the system. And you know that nice-looking collection sites help us a lot to increase the collection concerning the amount and also concerning the quality. So all the stakeholders are included. We have one tool for all the stakeholders. The operational partners, the truck drivers, they are in charge of the evaluation. Of course, it is a subjective evaluation of the truck drivers, and in case there is a defect, they have to take a photo for the evidence. They have to do it at least once a year, or if there is any modification. And so we can, the defects or the damage can be detected immediately, and we can repair it quickly. So all the stakeholders have an access to the tool, and they can see the evaluation details and also the results. And we, the Austria Glas Recycling, we can monitor the evaluations and send reminders to the owners of the for the bins if it is necessary. So it's a very convenient, simple and fast tool. All the sites are for the glass collection bins, they are geo-coordinated. All the stakeholders have access to the collection site list and the evaluation and have harmonized information, which is very important. We have a very quick and easy evaluation. We have a real-time update on number of the collection bins on site, and the defects can be identified and repaired very quickly. And the owners of the collection bins receive monthly an evaluation, including all the collection bins with a poor review. And the owners in Austria of the collection bins, this could be the municipalities, this could be the waste collectors, and also the Austria Glas Recycling. We do have a lot of collection bins. Okay, and the use case 3, it's about the collection. It's a smart tour companion. So, as I told you, Digido is not only used for the glass collection. It's also, you can use it for any waste stream. And if you don't use the glass app, the app Glass Future, Digido can help you with the geo-based location detection. But this is something we already do with our app. The next step is that we have a filling level assessment. So the filling levels of glass containers are monitored by the truck drivers. And the next step, we have an automated share calculation. So after weighting, the system calculates the distribution shares among the communities automatically for the transparent stakeholder reporting. So we do have a very good service for the municipalities or for the regions because they exactly know how much glass we have collected there. We can monitor the glass collection and optimize the collection efficiency. And we can also optimize the container volume we provide and the emptying frequency. As a next step, we could implement an enhanced route planning, including container filling level. So this could be a smart feature to improve the route planning, to reduce costs and increase operational efficiency during the tour, including the container filling level. But I want to tell you our experience. I want to share with you our experience with these cases. So we had a lot of projects in the last years dealing with optimization measures. We had some projects about sensor-based measuring of the filling level of bins in different regions in Austria. And we also have projects that use the long-term data concerning the actual collection. And you have to know, as I told you, in Austria, we have a really long-standing and sophisticated glass collection system. You have to know that we have almost 50 years of glass collection in Austria. We have very long-standing cooperation with our waste collectors, and we have very long serving truck drivers. That means that in Austria, the truck drivers, they are very proud of collecting glass because it's very special for them. So I think that's something very important for us. And therefore, it is really a challenge to implement the cost-saving measures. We use the sensor-based measuring for some collection bins, which are, for example, in the mountains, which are very far away, for example, in the mountains or somewhere. So there we use the sensor-based, yeah. And we also discuss about the projects with the long-term data. But up to now, the implementation costs are much higher than the saving costs. So the nationwide implementation is on hold up to now. But I'm really very curious about what Gonzalo will tell us about the situation in Spain, because I think this is something what could change just in a few years. So thank you very much, Jean-Paul.